Right, so you want a killer smartphone without torching your wallet? No worries, my friend. Whether you need an all-day battery, a camera that won't make you look like a pixelated potato, or some fancy AI tricks, I've got you covered. Here's the ultimate list of the best affordable phones of 2025, proving once and for all that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a cracking good device. Stay tuned, because some of these budget beasts might just blow your mind. Kicking things off, we've got the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. It's got a translucent back, funky LED notifications, and a triple camera setup that actually takes decent low-light shots. Because who doesn't love snapping moody night pics? Packing a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, it's not the fastest runner. But for everyday use, it does the job just fine. Battery-wise, this phone lasted an impressive 14 hours and 33 minutes in benchmark tests, with 39% charge after 15 minutes and 70% after 1 hour and 50 minutes, 30 minutes of plugging in. Performance-wise, Geekbench scores hit 1,166 single-core and 3,275 multi-core, with a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited score of 25.1 FPS. If you want flagship vibes without flagship prices, this one's a solid pick. Next up, the Google Pixel 8a, because AI is taking over, and now even budget phones are getting a slice of the action. This one has Google's Magic Editor and Best Take features, meaning your photos can now be Instagram perfect with minimal effort. And get this, it comes with 7 years of software updates. That's longer than some relationships last. The battery life here clocks in at 11 hours and 21 minutes, with charging speeds that feel like watching paint dry. Only 16% in 15 minutes and 33% in 30 minutes. However, its performance is a standout, with Geekbench scores of 1,581 single-core and 4,093 multi-core, and a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited FPS of 53.7. If you want the best AI experience at a reasonable price, this is your pick. If you like your phone to look as good as it performs, say hello to the Nothing Phone 3A. Still rocking that futuristic see-through aesthetic and its glyph interface, aka flashy LED light strips. With a vibrant 120Hz AMOLED screen, you'll be scrolling in style. Battery-wise, it beats out its Pro sibling, lasting 15 hours and 24 minutes, with a rapid 38% charge in 15 minutes and 72% in 30 minutes. Performance-wise, it's similar to the Pro model, with a Geekbench score of 1,165 single-core and 3,288 multi-core, plus a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited FPS of 25.1. If you want a stylish, unique phone that won't die on you midday, this one's a winner. Now, if you're on a super tight budget, the Moto G 2025 has your back. For under $200, you get a ridiculous 18-hour battery life. Seriously, this thing just won't die. It's even wrapped in a stylish vegan leather back, making it look way more expensive than it actually is. Charging-wise, it gets to 24% in 15 minutes and 53% in 30 minutes, which is surprisingly decent. Performance, however, takes a hit with a Geekbench score of 797 single-core and 2,107 multi-core, plus a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited FPS of just 8.2. If you just need a reliable phone for everyday tasks, this is a fantastic choice. Samsung lovers, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. The Galaxy A35 delivers that classic Samsung quality at a wallet-friendly price. Its bright, colorful display makes binge-watching an absolute treat, and it even has some AI perks like Circle to Search. Battery life isn't mind-blowing at 11 hours and 9 minutes, with charging speeds of 28% in 15 minutes and 53% in 30 minutes. Performance-wise, it scores 1,017 single-core and 2,950 multi-core on Geekbench, with a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited FPS of 16.8. It may not be the fastest, but if you love Samsung's ecosystem, it's a solid option. Finally, let's talk battery life. If you want a phone that outlasts your day, and maybe even the next one, the Moto G Power 2025 is your guy. With a 5000 mAh battery, it's built for endurance, lasting an incredible 17 hours and 13 minutes. It also charges decently, reaching 28% in 15 minutes and 53% in 30 minutes. Performance-wise, however, it's a bit sluggish, scoring just 792 single-core and 2117 multi-core on Geekbench with a 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited FPS of 8.1. But if your priority is battery life and you don't need blazing fast performance, this is the one to get. And that's a wrap on the best budget phones of 2025. Which one are you picking up? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy phone hunting!